Welcome back to Be in House. Today we will share with you Christmas decor, ideas 2024, essentials for a cozy space. Let's listen to have a cozy Christmas space. As the holiday season approaches, there's no better way to embrace the warmth and joy of Christmas than by transforming your home into a cozy, festive haven. Whether you're looking for subtle elegance or a more traditional holiday vibe, Christmas Decor in 2024 offers a range of styles that can create a memorable and welcoming atmosphere. Here are some essential Christmas decor ideas that will help you achieve the perfect cozy space this season. 1. Embrace natural elements. The beauty of nature is a core theme in 2024's Christmas decor, allowing you to bring warmth and texture into your home. Pine cones, fir branches, and holly leaves add a rustic charm, creating a cozy ambience. You can place these elements in wreaths, centerpieces, or even hanging garlands. For a more contemporary twist, consider pairing these natural accents with metallic finishes, like gold or copper, for an elegant look. Adding these elements not only brings a touch of the outdoors inside, but also makes your space feel more grounded and serene. 2. Layer textiles for maximum comfort. One of the most essential aspects of creating a cozy Christmas environment is adding layers of comfort to your living space. Start with cozy throws, fluffy pillows, and textured blankets in warm, seasonal colors like deep reds, forest greens, and neutral creams. Chunky knit blankets and faux fur cushions are perfect for making your living room or bedroom feel extra inviting. Drape a festive throw over your couch or add plush pillows in your favorite holiday patterns. This simple touch can transform a room into a cozy holiday retreat. 3. The power of candles and soft lighting. Lighting is key to setting the mood during the holiday season. Soft, ambient lighting brings a sense of calm and warmth, perfect for creating a cozy space. Instead of relying on bright, harsh lights, opt for string lights, fairy lights, or candles. Scented candles and fragrances like cinnamon, pine, or vanilla can enhance the sensory experience, enveloping your home in comforting aromas. Consider placing candles in decorative holders or lanterns to add an extra layer of charm. Additionally, twinkling string lights can be draped across mantels, windows, or even hung on the walls to create a magical winter wonderland feel. 4. A thoughtfully decorated Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is often the centerpiece of holiday decor, and in 2024, the trend is moving toward more personalized, intimate tree designs. While traditional trees adorned with colorful ornaments and tinsel will always have their place, many are now choosing a more minimalist or rustic approach. Consider using handmade or sentimental ornaments to create a tree that tells a story. To maintain a cozy vibe, choose a mix of natural textures like wooden ornaments, dried orange slices, or soft linen bows. For lighting, stick to warm white fairy lights that create a golden glow, adding to the cozy atmosphere. 5. Create a festive table setting. A well-decorated table adds elegance and coziness to your holiday gatherings. When planning your Christmas table setting, opt for rich, textured table linens in colors like deep burgundy, forest green, or gold. Adding a centerpiece with fresh greenery, pine cones, or even a few candles can create a festive yet intimate atmosphere. For a more modern take, try using dried flowers or a mix of white and silver accents. Adding personalized name cards or small gifts for guests can elevate the experience and then make everyone feel special. 6. Personalized touches for an inviting home. Adding personal touches to your Christmas decor can truly make your home feel inviting. Custom stockings, monogrammed ornaments, or family photo ornaments are thoughtful additions that help tell the story of your unique holiday traditions. A handmade advent calendar or a decorative board for writing down your family's favorite holiday memories can be a fun and sentimental way to make the season extra special. Consider including DIY elements in your decor, like hand-painted ornaments or a wreath you make together as a family. This not only adds a personal touch, but also creates lasting memories. 7. Focus on the details. Sometimes it's the little details that make the biggest difference. Adding small touches like festive hand towels in the kitchen or a Christmas-themed doormat can make every space in your home feel like part of the celebration. Consider switching out your regular dishware for something more seasonal. Red, gold, or silver-toned plates and mugs can add instant holiday cheer. Don't forget the bathroom either. Simple additions like a holiday-scented soap dispenser or a small sprig of pine on the mirror can help extend the festive atmosphere throughout your entire home. 8. A cozy reading nook or corner. One of the best ways to embrace the coziness of Christmas is by creating a dedicated space to unwind and relax. A cozy reading nook with a comfortable armchair, a soft blanket, and a stack of holiday books can become your new favorite spot. Surround the area with twinkling lights, a small Christmas tree or a few hanging ornaments, and maybe even a few candles. The inviting warmth of this corner will be perfect for sipping hot cocoa, reading a holiday classic, or simply taking a break from the hustle and bustle of the season. 9. Sustainability in holiday decor. As we approach 2024, more and more people are considering sustainable choices when it comes to holiday decorations. Using eco-friendly materials such as biodegradable ornaments, reusable gift wrap, or LED lights can help reduce the environmental impact of your Christmas decor. You can also upcycle old decor items to create something new and personalized. For instance, glass jars can become candle holders or ornaments, and leftover pine branches can be used to create wreaths or garlands. Being mindful of sustainability doesn't mean sacrificing style. There are countless ways to create a beautiful, eco-conscious holiday space. 10. Incorporate warm, earthy tones. While classic Christmas reds and greens will always have their place, in 2024, there's a shift toward earthy, muted tones that bring a sense of calm and warmth. Soft taupes, warm browns, and creamy whites can work beautifully with traditional Christmas colors to create a sophisticated yet cozy atmosphere. You can mix and match these tones with metallic accents, such as brushed brass or copper, to create an inviting holiday environment that feels both luxurious and down to earth. This Christmas season, making your home a cozy, welcoming space is all about embracing comfort, warmth, and a touch of personalization. Whether you go for a minimalist Scandinavian style, a rustic cabin feel, or a more traditional setup, the key is to create an atmosphere that feels inviting and intimate. By focusing on natural elements, layering textures, and adding personal details, your home will become a haven of warmth and joy, a place where family and friends can gather to create lasting memories during this magical season. Happy decorating!